Hi, I'm Kim.
I'm Brad.
We're 626 Ohana, California. And today we're going to make a Disneyland old classic.
Yeah, this is a classic you can't get at Disneyland anymore.
I know, it's kind of sad.
So what we're making is...
what used to be the Big Thunder Ranch barbecue where Galaxy's Edge was.
Well, Galaxy's Edge
is
now.
Where the Big Thunder Ranch barbecue was. They had a s'mores bake that was delicious.
Yeah, Kim and I had it several times when we would go to Disneyland, every time we eat there, and that was actually a really good place for food, unfortunately.
Yeah. And so we're camping, and this is kind of instead of just s'mores every night, we're taking a different kind of s'mores classic.
So we figured we'd give this a try. Yeah. We're not going to do it over the campfire. We're going to do it in our oven in our RV, but
yep.
We figured we'd give it a try. Why not?
Right.
All right, let's get going.
We're feeling a little Disney nostalgic.
All right, so we got our handy dandy recipe on the app here.
And we'll actually we'll put the recipe below in the comments.
Link it down below. But basically what we need is a fudge brownie mix asked for. So we got that. We need a pound of marshmallows. Let's see here, what else does it say here we need? 2 tablespoons of hot fudge sauce.
That seems really little.
8-gram crackers. And why am I not seeing the chocolate?
Is there no Hershey's in it?
There is no Hershey's chocolate in this.
Oops, my bad. I bought the Hershey's, but apparently we'll save this.
I did not know that.
I bought them. I just kind of naturally assumed they were in s'mores.
So what we have to do is we're going to have to make the cake as the directions on the box. We'll save you the pain of us making a batter.
Yes.
And we'll go right to it being done.
So we got 3 teaspoons of water in here, 2 eggs, and a half a cup of vegetable oil. Okay, this looks really good.
Hold on. We'll throw that in there for now.
Okay, I want to lick it.
Yeah, it's raw eggs. Why would you want to lick raw eggs?
I know, childhood habits die hard, right?
All right.
Okay, that looks amazing already.
Hold. Don't lick. Raw eggs.
Okay. I swear I did a million times in my childhood and I never died once.
We did a lot of things in our childhood that...
Right. Amazingly, we somehow survived, but I know it's not the best recommendation, but, you know.
Well,
like I said.
I did drink from water hoses.
Did you? And we all survived. Okay, it doesn't seem like that much of it for that size of the pan.
That's the size of the pan you told me to get?
No. I told you, or the recipe told you?
Oh, we forgot to spray it.
Well, we're... Okay. We didn't spray, so, yeah. Whatever happens, happens.
13 pan.
Shake.
Hopefully the RV's level. All right.
Okay,
now we need to take a break. I need to light the oven because I forgot to do that.
Oh yeah. Brad's gonna put in the delicious brownies.
Let's go.
How many minutes?
I think it said 22. So we'll see. Oops. All the way in. All right, brownies. We will see you in 22 minutes. Alrighty, so we're pulling the brownie out of the oven.
Oh, it smells so good.
Whoops, sorry. Hopefully you guys can see that. I'm trying my best with the camera and not burning myself. So we got that out of the oven. Let me put some light on it. Ooh, yummy. Alright, let's go see what we have to do next. Let's check to make sure we did this right. So I should be able to insert this toothpick without any problem. Let's see. Nope, we need to go longer. Okay, let's try this one more time. Let's see if it's ready to come out. Unfortunately, with these ovens, you just don't ever know if they're up to temperature. They don't have the modern binging and bonging. I say that came out pretty clean. Okay, our next step says, turn oven to broil. Broil.
Okay, what's
Done.
after broil?
Place marshmallows over brownies, leaving oven door ajar. Okay.
Brownie, it's marshmallow time.
All right, let's put some marshmallows on this. Are you gonna come?
Sure. Hold on.
Because this thing is hot. All right, Kim.
Okay.
Let's see your cooking prowess.
Okay. Am I supposed to cut? I can't remember. I haven't seen this in years.
So you just cover them on top. It says place it around, so place it all around the edges, and I'll cover it.
Okay.
One single row. All right. So we'll fast forward as Kim goes through and do all of these. And fast forward now. All right, so we have to watch this really close. So we're gonna put this back in. All right, so we're supposed to put this in. Oh.
Here, put it back. Let me grab the camera.
I got it. Okay. Oh, won't fit there. We're supposed to broil it.
Ow.
Sorry. Put it near the broiler. Leave the door open for a minute to 2 minutes and watch the marshmallows roast, but I can't get it in, so we're gonna have to hopefully do it this way.
So you watch it for 2 minutes?
So, while we wait, we need to take half the graham crackers and crush them.
Woohoo! Okay.
And then the other half.
So that's 4 graham crackers because there's supposed to be 8.
There's feet. So 4 graham crackers are going to be crushed, but you crush the extra ones.
Alright.
And crush them.
Alright, Hayden. Crush. Not so much that they fly out of the bowl.
We're doing this while we're waiting because unfortunately our broiler doesn't, the pan won't fit in the right spot.
Don't put that in.
So,
Hayden just ate that off the floor. Yikes.
so unfortunately our
My second rule.
our broiler pan doesn't fit underneath the right spot where it's supposed to. So we're kind of having to do this a little bit different. So Kim's going to crush those. I'm going to go back and check her. Oh, it's right there. Okay. How's it going?
Good. This could be therapeutic.
Okay.
I don't know. I mean, it's kind of fun when you get to be messy.
All right, crush them.
How far am I supposed to crush them in? Like crumbs?
And crush them.
Okay. Oh, well, okay.
Make them into crumbs.
Okay, I can do this. You can go back.
All right, we'll be back. Kim got the crumbling crushing done. I took it out of the broiler. The problem we're having is that we're supposed to be getting all this to this color. Fortunately, we can't get the whole pan in the right spot. So we kind of got melted and kind of got a little bit of it, but it's supposed to be more of this color all the way through. Unfortunately, we just don't have a big enough oven because it is kind of camping ovens are usually a little bit smaller. All right, let's get to our next spot. So what are we supposed to do here? So we need to drizzle hot fudge sauce over the top of the toasted marshmallows.
Woohoo!
So let's get that. And we need a spoon.
Okay. I'm supposed to measure it.
Nah, it says drizzle.
Alrighty. I like the taste of that.
It says drizzle. We're supposed to only have
1/4 of a cup plus 2 tablespoons.
hot fudge sauce warmed. So it's warm the fudge. We're gonna warm it. Let's go 35. Start. All right, let's get that warmed. It says take a teaspoon and start drizzling.
That I can do.
Is that enough? Oh no,
What?
may not be melted enough.
I know it's not very melty.
All right, let's put it in for a little bit longer.
I think this would be easier if we weren't camping and doing this. Well, we figured we could do some of Disney recipes that would be easier to do while we're camping. Just to make our lives have a little more Disney in it.
All right, so she's drizzling. I don't know how well that's supposed to look, but whew, that's hot. Should we try it like this?
No, I made it pretty.
Yeah, but I'm drizzling.
Oh, man.
Look at that.
Okay.
I'm making it look really pretty, and you're following me with it everywhere. Wouldn't you say this looks pretty? Whew, that's hot. Think that's enough fudge or more? Almost got the whole jar.
Okay, apparently we decided to drizzle a lot.
No, why not, right? It's a Disney dessert.
Okay.
I guess we could have just did the whole jar.
Saved your hand.
Oh, it's so hot.
Okay. So we did that, now what's next?
Okay, next, sprinkle it on.
Alright. I kinda wanna be pretty.
10 hours later.
Oh, come on now. Seems like a lot of graham crackers though.
Now we're supposed to break those up into quarters and then put them in. Just kind of put them in at random. Wow, we're gonna eat all this?
Oh no.
Okay, that's our final product. That's the final product. We're gonna try it. And, we had to take some liberties.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, we couldn't get everything toasted, so let's try it. Go ahead.
All right, Hayden.
You're yawning? You're acting like it's 11 o'clock at night and you're eating sugar. Oh, whoops. We got a little light started doing this today.
And it took much. Oh gosh, look how gooey! I can't even get off the
spoon.
I can't.
Well, dig right in there and get a big chunk. Hey, you're gonna sleep good tonight. There you go, Hayden.
Well, yeah, I guess it's.
What are you gonna do, huh? Oh, there we go.
Oh my goodness, this thing just melts. It's not a pretty cut, but it's gooey, just like a s'more should be.
I don't think we're gonna eat all this.
What do you think, Hayden?
Good.
Yeah. All right.
Tired.
Tired?
What do you think about the? I know it took a lot longer than we thought, but we had to.
Guess what? You got dishes.
Okay.
All right, let's try it.
Let's go. It is really good.
I'm really rich.
But ours isn't as firm as what Disney had. Ours is like a fudgy gooey.
But it is just as sweet.
It's really messy, but so good.
Yeah, it does remind you of. It's very close.
I think if the brownie would have been firmer, had we had a different oven, I think it would have been right on.
But hey, for camping,
this is a good treat.
No.
This is living good.
Oh, you're just gonna. That's why we don't do that. So with that, I think it's time for us to say goodbye and
find your magic.
Bye, everybody.